Hi again, everybody. It's Sunday, July 23rd, 2023. Here's a look ahead for a month on the Astro Excel chart. You can see this chart starts here on 7/24. If you look between the 0 and the -10 line, you'll see the date and the time. And what this does, this moves in 8-hour increments as far as the text markers go. So you see here on 725 by my cursor, we're at the 0 hour. Then we go to 0800, then 1600, and then back to the 0 hour on 726. So this is going to give you the look at the whole month ahead. Here is the 1 week chart from 724 to the end of the month. So you can see we're below -10 on the green line. We come up then on the 27th and buck above 0, then back down again. But same thing, the date and time markers are between the 0 and -10. You can see this moves ahead in 2-hour increments. So you can kind of pinpoint your plots and areas where you're going to get the spikes in that. And on this Excel calculator, if I hold my cursor on this blue line here, you see the moon point is 1300 hours. So that's how you can read this particular chart. Anyhow, this will give you the general guide for the week ahead. And then I'm going to flip the date on this and take it forward a week since I'm going to be on break. So I'll start this on the 31st and carry it forward another week. You can see it switches pretty quickly. I'll go back down to the weekly chart. Now here's the 1 week chart starting on 7/31. You can see we're down around the -20 line on the green line. Then we dip to the -30 level. So you can take a look at that chart and you can just screenshot this and throw some vertical lines to get the time reference for you. But this calculator is really nice. It gives you different points of view. You've got the 24-hour chart at the top. It's got a pull down tab to allow you to switch the date to any date you want. This is good for the 2023 calendar year. You can also do a 12-hour chart from the midnight hour to noon, and then it goes from 10 to 2400 for the afternoon portion. You can also select a 2-hour chart, so you can pop in whatever day and you can take a look at any particular 2-hour period during the day starting at any time. And this is the gray line. It's normally not shown on the blue line green line chart, but this is your fine tuner that gives you significant intraday pivot points. And then we have the weekly chart and the monthly chart. So this is a really good tool. This is part of the Perfect Storm package. It'll give you a lot of intraday and intra-week time points with that. Anyhow, there's the look ahead on the Astro Excel for the next month forward and the next couple weeks in particular.